Welcome to Ocean View. What I love about this project is I think this is maybe my third or fourth time at this property, and I've really only put a few hours total into this project because what we did is allowed our contracting team to handle everything from start to finish. I even said, I don't want to know what your tile choice is. I don't care. You guys take everything, which can be a little bit hard at times, especially if you're used to being the one that has all of the ideas, right? But in order for us to be able to grow our real estate business, we have to be able to hand things off. And so this project is kind of fun in the opposite way. We didn't get to go through and pick all of the choices, but now we get to come through and see it all finished. And I had a ton of time given back to me, not having to go through and decide on every single aspect of the design, the tile, the grout, the vanity, the mirror. So this is really cool. So you're actually going to be able to see my reaction going through this house for the first time. I had no idea what they were going to do. So let's go check it out. Love this. Love the black door accents. This is such a great idea. Love it. So cute. I actually think this is onyx black. We use this in another project. I love this color because it's not like a harsh black, but it's just like, it's almost like a gray. It's awesome. Cute flooring choice. They did like a nice warm white on the walls. This bathroom looks like they're still finishing up. I knew we weren't doing a ton in here, but it's cute, it's clean, it looks 1,000 times better than it did. The last time I was here, this wall was just like a white shiplap that they had decided to do, but I had no idea what their final vision was. I'm obsessed with this. This is gorgeous. We told them that we wanted an accent wall because we do like to have those features, kind of those wow features when people come into the house. And look at this wall. 1,000% worth every penny. Check this out. Even have a place for the TV. This is so cute. Love this. Love it. Door. I absolutely love this whole vibe and theme that they're doing in here. And then look at this. This is so cute. I was actually just talking to them about this, and they have recommended me using this in our other project, Hampton, because I'm starting to look for lighting this week. And she's like, "You like that light? I bet I could get another one." And I do. It's super cute. Love that. I've been to Lowe's a billion times. I feel like I haven't seen that. And then this really turned out. So I had lengthy conversations with our contractor about painting the cabinets. We typically don't paint a lot of cabinets in our projects. We just rip out the kitchen because most of them need it. And they really convinced me to do this, and it looks fantastic. Lighting everything's like nice and light and bright. There's interest here. Very, very, very cute. And we do quartz and everything. So cute. I love the way the kitchen, it just feels so open, so bright. If we pan some old pictures that were in there before, it was just like dark and dingy, and it feels fantastic. I'm really in love with it. So I will say the only decision that I did make on this project, I had to pick out the appliances, so that was it. So appliances, again, in the beginning, we talked through the scope of work, we talked through budgets and just certain details that we did or didn't want. For example, the accent wall, how far to go in the bathrooms. Do we tile the floors? We didn't tile the floors in this one just because we didn't think that it needed it. But I just think this turned out so cute. Gonna check the master baths. I'm very excited to come in and see this. I've seen a couple glimmers of pictures of this, but I really want to see the finished product. So let's see. So this is adorable. Look, they tied the black the whole way through, and I don't want to step on the floor because it's wet, but I can see right here they used, I'm just going to take a picture of it. I don't want to mess it up. We'll have to send pictures after, but they used a gold schluter in the shower to tie in this, which is so cute. Love this. People are going to fall over themselves for this bathroom. I know you can't see it here. So this is ocean view. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And it's just a really good lesson to, again, once you have built a relationship with a contractor, to see how they can handle projects from start to finish. Because as busy as we are with projects, having to come in and pick out every little design choice in it has been a huge relief, even though I enjoy it. Allowing somebody else to take it over and to see the great job that they did, it's fantastic. And I definitely think we will continue to do more projects like this, because if we want to grow our business, like we're talking about growing our business, we just simply can't do it if I'm doing everything. So it's amazing, it's beautiful. Just, I mean, check out this kitchen, how cute is it? So that's a wrap on Ocean View. I hope that you love this and you learned a little bit about maybe seeing if your contractors can handle some of the design plans and on some of your renovations and save you a little bit of time, a little bit of money, so you can go out and find some more deals.